Are you ready? Are you steady? Go in, let's go, 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 go. One colour at a time, one car. Let's go, go find the colour for it. There we go, where's the blue one? Blue one's here. There we go. And let's do another colour then, so it's all gone. Go, 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 go. There we go. Try and put that one away again, that's not the right colour. There we go. Carry on then. Keep going as quickly as we can. But this time, instead of running, I want you to jump around. Are you ready? Are you steady? Let's go then. Go, 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 go. Remember, you got to match the colours up for me. Match it to the colours. You need a hand up. Right, this time, instead of jumping, you've got to walk. So you've got to do it really slow. You've got to walk. Remember, avoid the spots. Walk in. Okay, you can only walk. Remember, only walking this time. Walk in, there we go. Archie. There we go. Walk in, there we go. Find the colours if you can.